Hello everyone. Today we are going to see network theorem MCQ part 3. Okay, let's get started. First question. While calculating R Thevenin in Thevenin's theorem and Norton equivalent circuit, all independent sources made dead, only current sources made dead, only voltage sources made dead, all voltage and current sources are made dead. We know that for voltage sources it is open circuited, the current sources it is short circuited. Usually the both sources are dead. Okay, so we have to choose between A and D, but what the right answer was, all independent sources are made dead. Any type of sources which is independent is made dead is the right one. Okay, next question. To determine the polarity of voltage drop across the resistor, it is necessary to know. In order to determine the polarity in a resistor, we have to know value of current through the resistor, direction of current through the resistor, value of resistor, EM of the circuit. Okay, so in order to find the polarity, we have to know that direction of current through the resistor is the right answer. Then only we determine the polarity. So the correct answer was B. Okay, the next question, it's one of the theorem. Okay, we have to find which theorem it was. Okay, let's read the theorem. In any network containing more than one sources of EMF, that current in any branch is the algebraic sum of individual current events, each of which is due to separate action of each source of EMF taken order when the remaining source of EMF are replaced by the conductors, the resistance of which is equal to internal resistance of the respective sources. Okay, what they are given was, it's a very big one, but what the matter here was, and there are many sources in the circuit, so take one at a time, and final result was add all the three. Okay, so this statement and tell it is a superposition theorem. Okay, so C is the right one. Okay, next question. In a network which contains more than one source of EMF. Okay, more than one source of EMF means it is a active network. Actually it's a active network. Okay, the next one. Kirchhoff's current law is applicable to only. Kirchhoff's current law is applicable to node, or it's a junction. So the option A is the right one. Junction in a network is correct. Okay. The next one. A passive network is one which contains. Okay. A passive network contain only variable resistance, only some source of EMF, only two source of EMF, or no source of EMF. Passive network means it only contains resistance, inductance, capacitance. There is no sources here. So no sources of the EMF in it. So D is the right one. Okay, next one. The Kirchhoff's voltage law is related to. Okay, Kirchhoff's voltage law is related to not a junction current, battery EMF and IR drop. These two are included in Kirchhoff's voltage law. So option B and C is the right answer. Okay, the next one. A capacitor is generally okay, it's a very important question. Okay, we most confused here. Okay, I don't read out all the options, so just remember capacitor is a linear element and a bilateral component also. Capacitor is a linear element and bilateral component. Okay, answer C is the right one. Okay, the next question. The circuit has resistors, capacitors, semiconductor diodes. The circuit will be is known as. Okay, it have resistor, capacitor and semiconductor diodes. So it is a non-linear circuit. It's not a linear circuit because semiconductor diodes are there. So it's a non-linear circuit is the right answer. Okay, the next one. Which of the following is a bilateral element? Okay, bilateral element we already see among those options, capacitance is the bilateral element is the right one. Okay, that's all about today. If you have any doubt about these questions, please write it in the comments below. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you.